Alright, so let's take a look at the Seagate Backup Plus Ultra Touch, which is their new portable slim hard drive. It does go only up to 2 terabytes. Benefits is, I guess, you get a better feel, but the main thing that you get from this is better hardware encryption. So it encrypts your data a lot better, but also more importantly, with a lot of other older hard drives, if you, let's say you format it or you wipe it, you can still access some of the files after through some techie ways, but Seagate promises that that isn't the case, as it's Seagate secure. This one comes with a Creative Cloud photography plan for 2 months, which isn't the full Creative Cloud, but it's still something, better than nothing. And this one, so these new ones come with 3 years warranty from Seagate. A lot of the older ones only came with 2, so props to them for getting onto that. And 2 years data recovery, which, as I mentioned in some other videos, can cost, let's say, around $100 if you've got some problems trying to recover some data, especially with these ones that aren't SSDs. They've got magnetic spinning disks that are prone to fail every now and then. So it's good to have 2 years rescue recovery and 3 years warranty, even better. And it is, what does it say? He says USB-C and USB 3. I'm pretty sure it has an adapter in it, which I'd be very happy to see if it does. If you don't lose it. Some paperwork. Backup Plus Ultra Touch. Data secure. Quick start guide. Aha, so USB-A. It must come with an adapter then. That is really good. Solid effort. So this one seems to be, from what I'm seeing so far, let's have a look. It comes with the Mylio Create software, which is a photo organization tool. I believe it comes with 1 year, because that's what the other Seagate drives come with, if you want to organize your photos. And that's just some other paperwork. Aha! So it does come with the USB-C adapter. I'm very impressed by that. Nice work, Seagate. Just something less you have to worry about. This is the way I see it. I know from previous experience it flips this way. There's 1 and 2. Let's first off have a look at this. Comes with the white cable because it's the white version. USB-A to the little hard drive thing. Port that goes there. And then what I believe here is a USB-A to C adapter. Brilliant. So you can plug it in. I've got the right way. No, I don't. And it goes, if I can get it, straight in. And then it goes into the new USB-C. Really good. Like that a lot. Then you've got the hard drive itself. It's very, very slim, because this is supposed to be the new Backup Plus Slim, which is around the same size. Let's have a look here. And that feels really good. So they've changed the layout and put a bit of fabric here and fabric here. I don't know if it's cost saving or just to look cool, but that definitely feels really cool. And then you got the entry point there. I've used the Backup Plus Slim a lot and the Backup Plus Portable, and I've found them very reliable. So hopefully, I presume this one will be the same, especially because it's got more hardware encryption. That's a really good thing. And a lot more, 3 years warranty and 2 years data rescue. So it is quite impressive what you get with it for not too much more. And you get a little USB-C adapter, which if you do have one of the newer Macs, then you'll be able to just chuck that adapter in and it'll work fine. So there it is. Very small, very nimble, very portable. Although it is a bit plasticky, but a little bit plasticky. Could do with a bit more metal, but I guess also got this little fabric here.